How to link your Nintendo account to Xbox and Fortnite. Open a web browser on your computer. Then in the search bar, you want to head to store.epicgames.com. Sign into your Epic Games account. Make sure that you sign into the Epic Games account that you use for playing Fortnite. Now you want to head over to your profile that is on the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, you want to head over to the account section. This will redirect you to the Epic Games account setting page. You have a menu on the left side. You want to navigate and find apps and accounts. Go ahead and select that option. Here you can automatically connect to different accounts, including Steam, GitHub, Twitch, Xbox, PSN, and Nintendo. Now to link your Nintendo account, all you have to do is click on the Connect button right at the bottom. Once you do that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions. This is going to explain that the data is going to be shared. Go ahead and confirm your intention. All you have to do is click on Connect Account. Once you do that, you would have completed the procedure and successfully linked your Nintendo account to Xbox and Fortnite. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.